Good morning, friend. Today I am showing you how to make a idea for a garden. First, this is my 2 BHK flat here. I live in this flat. This is society, a big society. Look here. How many people are living here? Many plant is there. So many plant. And look here. Here is a flower plant also. Here, look here. There is also garden. But this is society garden. There is a banyan tree. It gives more shade in the summer season. Many birds are living in the nights. Look, this banyan tree. This is another is here. I planted here is flower plant. It needs some flower. So many flowers are blooming here. Look, so many flowers. This is some. I keep some here. It's a bamboo. Bamboo, most important. It absorbs more carbon dioxide. If you get a chance, plant one bamboo plant in your society. It absorbs more carbon dioxide from your society. This is our society. There so people are in them walking. This is banyan tree. In summer season, it gets more. Some people are walking here. There's so many plants is there, but here is big precious place. But in spite of this, there is no land here. But I want to make a garden. First time there is I choose this land. First time it is. I am showing you early hot type. It was a nothing. It is at the drainage system. Is watering drainage system here, and this is you have to see. First time is like that. Just how dirty is there? Look, people are throwing everything in this society. Which then after that, this also like early. This is early like that. After that, I also make it. I put some soil here. After that, it make a garden also. There's a small piece of land. Look, I select this land. Nobody use it. Sometimes it was only they threw it like that. Rubbish they are doing here. Now I have to cover this land with a soil. After that, I make a garden. Look, in your society, you can select this place like that. First time, this is first time. After that, it look like turn into a garden. Look here. Look here. Here is a planting here, some plant here, and here is look here. Here is a biofilm plant. It remove the kidney stone of your body, biofilm. And another is look here. In a biofilm, seeds are fruits came. Look. This is plant. This is original plant. This is original plant. This here is biofilm. Leaves are falling down. It make a new plant. This is no new plant. And this is a new plant grows here. And this is biofilm. Look here. And it make a what is this? It make a fruits. Unbelievable. How much fruits came? This is unbelievable. Look here. This is biofilm. Biofilm, Pathor Chata, Pathor Kuchi, different name, but it is remove your kidney stone. Look here. The leaves, it grow from a leaves. Put one leaves in the soil and it become a new plant. Look here. Look here. This. After that, look here. This is dirty things. After that, I clean it, and this is turned into a garden. Look, this is. It is just it will flower also, and after sometimes I have make this. So many cellus I have planted here. So many. Now it is summer season. Some cellus are, and here is a tomato plant. Look here. I put in a container, and then how much tomato. After some this tomato will come. This also tomato. So many tomato plant is there. Too many tomato plant. I planted here. Look at the tomato plant. It is so still tomato. Then tomato will come here. Look. This tomato will come. This cherry tomato. Have brands of tomato. So many tomato. And this also look here. Oh, that is cherry tomatoes. A plant First time this is unused land. And people are throwing it. I have put some soil and I turned into a garden. I've got, look, it gives pressure and here also, look, I have to plant it here, some dragon fruits. Cut the stem, put in the soil, it become a new plant. Look here, so many dragon fruits. After that, it big plant will grow here, and chili plant. So many plant is there. So many plant, and here also many plant is there. So many. Give rain and keep the so many plant I keep here. Look here. So many plant is there. I have to cultivate, cut the stem and put in the soil. It becomes big. Look here. So many have to. And up. And there is the beans. I have planted many beans from here. Now season is over. Winter season it's grow more beans. Then it is dry. After that I keep the seeds and I put into the soil. And here's a pumpkin. Here I have new plant a pumpkin. After it is big plant. This is pumpkin. Then I have here. Look here. This is like I have to plant some rose plant. Cut the stem, put in the soil. I cut the stem and become a new plant. Look, I cut the stem. Some is dry, is there now? Dry. I cut the stem and put in the soil. It become a new plant. Look, this was nice. It would give more fruits, flower. I have not. And it gives more shade. But inside I get a chance to keep some. Many places there you can keep some pot and there is flower plant. After that, how much nice. Rose plant. Yes. Then I have to come here. Look, I have planted in a wooden box in a slip plant. Look, we are going to read how many chili. Look, many fruits, many flower came. Look. Many. Look here. Flower, no flower is missing. I give water, na? Look at down also. Oh, look at how much green chili came. Look, only one plant. Nothing. Only put the seed in the soil and become a plant and give you fruits. Now, so many. Look here. Look. And one is red also. I keep the seed for here. So many fruits are came. And it will come more. Now, look, is this? Many birds are coming. Oh, look here. Very simple. Look how many fruits are came. 10 or 12, 20 only I pluck it and it is good for vitamin C. Look how many green chilies here. So many green chilies there. Look. Yeah. Green chili here. one is I keep it for seed. This is for seed, and this seed will put, and it become a new plant here. And then here is cabbage. So only put I seed here the cabbage. How many cabbages come? So many cabbages. This cabbage. So many cabbages. Fully inorganic. It is inorganic. Nothing, no pesticide, nothing. Only put the seed and become that. Look, cabbage. Only put the seed. Look, cabbage. How many cabbages I have to plant? Look. All are the come. Nothing, only put the seed and it will become a cabbage. Automatically, naturally it grow. No need to chemical for the look. Here also, small container. Here, how big? Small container, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only small container. I put 4 pieces. 4 pieces. So many cabbages I have. Now upstairs also root. This is growing cabbage. How many cabbage? Cabbage. It is fully inorganic, and it is very tightly packed. You cannot imagine, like a stone, one stone. Very stone and hard stone. Now how much it is going to be? Plantation is I put some not only vegetable, I also put some flower plant. This also I'm showing all this. First you choose the land on your society, unused land, and put some soil and starting it give fresh air to your society. I am showing you some here the container. And another, then look here. Here, beans. This is beans will come again. New plant I put it after some days. Beans will come here. Look. And also flower plant. How nice the flower is blooming. It's also flower plant. After that it will flower. Okay. Then I am showing you. This is beans plant, new beans plant. I put the soil here and it will become a new plant and give you fruits. After some days it will give more fruits. Beans, this is bean. Okay. And look here. Then I started cultivation of iggy plant. Look, organic. I started. Yesterday I have to pluck 7 or 8 brinjal, and this is not mature. After that mature, it not going to how many? Look here. Here there are fruits came. How many years? Fruits came, and this is I keep a seed. I make a seed myself at home. This is what is this? This is a peanuts. It is the domestic spinach. I keep it in the soil. After that, it become a seed plant. After that, when it is mature, I pluck the seed from this plant. And here is brinjal. Not only so, of many plants, there also fruits came. And also look here. So very big brinjals I have to plant it. Look. How many brinjal came? Look. Every plant, yesterday 5 or 7 I have to pluck. Here is I keep it for a maturity. Here, look. Look also here. Two is there, two is there. Not only more, up, there were many, so many. This is here also. Still calm. This is small, this is small. After that it become a plastic. Nothing is all flowers, one flowers, one fruits. But here fruits, here look at the fruits. One flower, one fruits. One flower, one fruits. One. Nothing, only here also. So many fruits are coming. You have to, nothing, only some container and put them seed and become a new plant and give you fresh inorganic vegetable. No pesticide, no take care, only evening or morning wash the leaves of the plant, but it grows nothing. Only look. So they have many cities are come. Look, then how many cities are come like that. So many brinjals come. This is brinjal. This is brinjal. This is brinjal. This is another brinjal. So many fruits came. Look here. The parts came. Another also. Another also here. This is another type. So many fruits came. You cannot imagine. Every plant has 12, 14, 10 fruits already been done. Nothing, only put the seed in the soil. First you choose a land of a society unused. I show you the first time how it's dirty. Now I have to cover with this soil and it become a garden. Look. Then another this water lily. Then this is spider lily. I also put here some seed after that. Here is another mint leaves. Who beneficial? Nothing, only cut the stem and put into the soil. It become a so many lettuces. Mint is there. Look, mint. Then I show this ajwain, more beneficial. Good for health. It is ajwain. Look, it is ajwain. It is ajwain. Look, I use this for tea leaves. Boil the water and one leaves fill in the tea and raw tea. But it is good for health. Another I'm showing you dragon fruits. This is albera. Then I show you dragon. Look here. And how much dragon fruits I had. Only cut the stem of a mother plant, put in the soil, it become a new plant. Only you cut here, only one. Anything you cut here also you cut here and put in the soil, it become a new plant. And how much? Summer season it gives you more fruits. Only the small container. This is only my first time, only one I have to plant. Only I have to look. Only one. Then how much it grows. I have no pace. I have to plant is more because first you cut the stem and put it in the soil, it become a new plant. And look at it is spread. I make their stem is not strong, na? It is weak stem. That is I make a support. After that it become a supporting this. Look here. Summer season I show this after so many fruits come after summer season. And the flower is look very nice, white color flower. This is now these are all nothing, only a put here. Use land. Only cut the stem, you cut here like that and put in the soil and it become a new plant. Look. Summer season it give more fruits and this will cover with all this space. Na? I keep the space all cover with this stem. Then I give one up to the tube. Few days ago I have planted some here. Look, I planted some here. I planted some. Look, after that I put the bhindi, ladies finger. Ladies finger it is. Look here, ladies finger up to date. Few days ago I see this. I have shown published a video shown some ladies finger seed. Look, it grows, and not only, and another also here, all are ladies finger and snake gourd plant. After that showing, so it will cover with all this land. Look, and pot, both seed. Cutting cut the stem of mother plant, put this one, it become a new plant. Then I'm showing you some here also some green chili plant, the new green plant. This will come chili leaves. More chili came after some days, just here. This is pathor chata. This is cherry tomato. This is fruits, beans. This is tomato, papaya. This is papaya plant. After some days, papaya will come. And this is tomato came. These are the tomatoes. Tomato, chili, and here also the ginger plant. Here, look, some plant, and also beans working. It's season over, but again it comes house. Water. Look how much it will grow like. Then here also I planted here some. Here I planted so many. All are like that. First I put the seed, and here I also some seed here also. Look here. Here is a brinjal. So many brinjal is come. So many brinjal is come to my garden. So many brinjal is come to my garden. This seed. Put the seeds on in the. And here is also mint I have planted. Look here, I planted mint here. After that it become a bushy. An image of mint plant. While I cut the stem, put in the soil and become a mint. Some here also brinjal. This brinjal came. See the seeds, all are ladies finger. And the seed shown in the soil up to date. Then I told that day I show you this. I seed this soil and it become a full. This plant is here also. This is snake gourd. After it big plant, so many water plants. You can first you select the land and put the cover with the soil, and it become you can easy. You can pass your time, pass your monitoring. Nothing. It is a society. This society. I live in this society, many plant. Here is drumstick. I caught a drumstick here. Look here. I also put some. This is so many. I put here the drumstick. Look at how many drumstick. This is drumsticks. Caught the steam and how big plant. Here is drumstick. Here, drumstick plant. A drumstick. It will grow. Drumstick. So many drumsticks come. Look. Subject based. This is based. This is a bamboo. What is this? This is a bamboo plant. This is it absorbs all the carbon dioxide from the society. Bamboo plant. Yeah. This is drumstick plant. Have cut the stem and put in the soil. It become. Then this is our society. Very people living here. I make a garden here. Look. This is my garden. First, you select your mind and select your land, unused land. Try to clean it. After that, it become your garden. Here is this. Look. Nothing. Nothing. It's unused land. Here is a drainage system. Here is a drainage system. Drain by the side. Nobody use it. None to tell. I put the soil and become a garden. It's like a field, but unused land. Like a look. There is a primary school is there. There is a wall. This is pumpkin. No. I'm going to turn into a garden. It is a unused land, a dirty place, convert into a garden. Unbelievable. The bivalum seeds, fruit screen. The harm is fruit screen bivalum. Unbelievable. Good plant. Yes, a brinjal plant.